Hey there, in my 100th video, I promised that I'd show you how to make slime without using glue. And this is a video you need to watch if you do not have any glue. So the substitute of glue will be shampoo. And just saying, I'm not advertising Elmer's or Dove. It's just what we have at home, so yeah. Okay, so I'll be showing you 3 ways. As you can see, I have 3 bowls and 3 spatulas. The first way, we'll be needing shampoo and the Elmer's Glue Magical Solution, which contains baking soda and contact lens solution, which will act as an activator. You can see my 100th video to learn more about that. So let's get started. First, we're needing a bowl to mix the slime in and a spatula. So let's move all that stuff away. So first, let's add a tiny bit of shampoo. I'm not gonna stick my hands in this time too, because if you watch my 100th live stream, I sticked my hand in the slime and it ended up all gooey and all over my fingers. But eventually it got better because we added more activator. And what activator does is that it creates the slime. So it makes it stretchy, gooey, and well, it makes it slime. Next, let's add some of this magical liquid. Now, all we need to do is stir a lot. As you can see, it is forming a slime-like texture. If it's just coming straight off the edges, that means it's slime. This is what it looks like. Well, there we go, slime. It's stretchy slime. And of course, this is fluffy because of the shampoo. Woohoo! Slime! Now I can add some food coloring. I'm gonna make this one green. Now as you can see, the slime is green. Let's get a new bowl and a new spatula. For this, we'll be needing toothpaste. I know, that sounds kinda weird, but yes, toothpaste and shampoo will make slime. First, shampoo. Next, we're gonna need toothpaste. Opening the tube. This toothpaste smells good. So this slime will probably smell good too. Let's grab our spatula, move everything over. Let's start mixing. I've tried, and this is not my first time, so yeah. There you go. This is slime already. This is slime. Time to see how this feels like. Now, as you can see, this will not need food coloring because the toothpaste has a color in there. Okay, this one I feel is more fluffier than the other one. And this, I feel, has a more slime-like consistency too. If you want to make it not stick to your hand, you might want to use some activator. But I kind of like the toothpaste and shampoo slime like this, where it's all gooey. This is called the dentist slime. But there you go. I'm just gonna clean my hands now. Now, for the third and final slime, you will be needing, of course, shampoo and cornstarch. Yup. This is kind of gonna be like oobleck, but even better. So as you know, slime and oobleck both are non-Newtonian fluids. You can learn all about that in another video. The link will be given in the description below. Let's add in some shampoo. There. And this is cleaner. Good, there better be one because I forgot one. A lot, this probably just came out, well, I don't know, it's on my nose. Is it? Yeah, kinda is. Okay, so let's move that to the side, and that to the side. And there. Now let's start mixing. Okay, so now as you can see, this is what the slime will look like. It looks like it needs more, but if we just continue mixing, it's gonna look better. Now let's add in some of the food coloring. Okay, 3 drops, that should be good. So now I can hear some air bubbles popping, and that is a good sign. It means your slime is turning into slime. So now as you can see, this is pretty cool. And I think this might be the best recipe of them all. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This one is so cool. Whoa. Hey my dear viewers. Now in this video, the comments will be open. So be sure to write down which one of these slimes you like the best. Was it the dentist slime, the green slime, or this one? These are all without using glue, and also non-toxic and safe. My first favorite was this one, the green one. It just feels super satisfying to just squeeze, and especially inside a Ziploc bag, it won't get all over your hands. That makes it especially satisfying to squeeze. And then of course is this one, the sun slime. This one did not stick to your hand much after we added more cornstarch. Because as you can see, it doesn't even spread. It's just staying there. And yeah. And then I kind of wanted to keep the dentist one as first, just because of the name. But this slime sticks to your hand more than this or this. So that's why I put the dentist slime in 3rd place. Okay, next up is these two, the blue and pink slime. Personally, I like the pink/red one the best. And the reason is because the fluffy one is good to just poke at it, but this one is especially good at stretching. So yeah, I keep this one at first and this one at second. Now, time for all of them to come. Out of all of these 5, write down in the comments which one you like the best, and try making them yourself at home. Okay, so my favorite is, out of all of them, glue and without glue, is the pink one. Yeah, pink/red one is the best. And then second would go to this one, the one without the glue, Mr. Green. And then I give it to the foam one, the really I give it to the sun, and then I give it to the dentist. So this one's sadly in last place, even though it has such a good name. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to watch my live streamed video and you can learn how to make both of these slimes. Now, you can have super fun with slime inside a Ziploc bag or without stretching it all over the place. Okay, so that will be it for today. So don't forget to watch my other videos on technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Stay tuned. Goodbye.